Hello everybody, I'm back, it's me again, and we're still talking about the Cheeky Chin Hammocks Series 2. What's next? Well, the squabble of seagulls proved very popular last time because some people like their masks to be aggressive. So for this time, we've got the murmuration of starlings with the starling chicks squawking at the murmuration above. On a more romantic note, what's coming up next month? Well, it's Valentine's Day, so we've got the lovebirds, very pretty. Or the pelicans again, but this time they're the Valentine pelicans. Now then, what could be more romantic on Valentine's Day than to wear your Cheeky Chin Hammock Valentine pellies? Don't answer that. I'll rephrase it. In the current situation, what could be more romantic? There you go. So it only remains for me to sing the Cheeky Chin Hammock song, which goes like this. Chin chinnery, chin chinnery, chin chin chiroo. The pandemic is here, it affects even you. So wear your chin hammock, whatever you do. They're proving so popular, we're on series 2. Chin chinnery, chin chin chiree, chin chiroo.